This video is brought to you by Hawkeye Water Leak Defense Systems. In today's video, I'm going to show how to install the E-WaterBlock LoRa or Bluetooth version onto a toilet. The first step will be to turn off the water. Turn off the valve and flush the toilet to drain all the water out of the system. Next, you'll disconnect the supply hose. The next step will be to take the E-WaterBlock and install the compression elbow onto the outlet. These connections do not require plumbing or thread tape due to the seal made with the internal washer. Next, you'll take the supply hose and connect that to the elbow. The next step will be to take your stem pipe adapter and screw that into the inlet of the WaterBlock. You'll slide on the nut and the sleeve and then insert it into the supply valve. Next, you'll take the nut, tighten it down, and firm that connection up with the wrench. And at this point, you can turn the water back on and water flow will resume to the toilet. The next video in this series will include how to configure the E-WaterBlock and get it ready for operational use. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.